it's me again. Very serious, not silly, T. Scott Lilly. I am going to miss you. This is our last video, our 8th video. I hope you've been enjoying these. I've been loving making these for you. Our last song is called What Makes Us One. It's about a song about our country. Us can also be looked at United States with the letters US. So when I say what makes us one, I'm also kind of saying what makes the United States one country. This song is called Around. There's 3 parts of the song that can be sung at the same time. And I'll show you that later in the video. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Our country is more than borders and war. It's the people and places that remind us our country can soar. Don't forget what we're for and the moments we share that define us. Our community, our humanity, our diversity, our democracy that makes us one, that makes us one, that makes us one, that makes us one. That's the song. Sing it with me, ready? Here we go. Our country is more. Our country is more than borders and war. It's the people and places that remind us our country can soar. Don't forget what we're for and the moments we share that define us. Our community, our humanity, our diversity, our democracy that makes us one, that makes us one, that makes us one, that makes us one. That's the song. It's a simple song. It has few lyrics, but it's a lot of fun when we put it all together, and I'm going to show you. I have a feeling that when I ring this bowl, it's all going to come together. Our last bowl ring. Our country is more than borders and war. It's the people and places that remind us our country can soar. Don't forget what we're for and the moments we share that define us. Our community, our humanity, our diversity, our democracy that makes us one, that makes us one, that makes us one, that makes us one. Our country is more than borders and war. It's the people and places that remind us our country can soar. Don't forget what we're for and the moments we share that define us. Our country is more than borders and war. It's the people and places that remind us our country can soar. Don't forget what we're for and the moments we share that define us. Our country, our community, that makes us one. Our humanity, humanity
that makes us one.
Our diversity
That makes us one.
our democracy
That makes us one.
our community that makes us one, our humanity that makes us one, our diversity that makes us one, our democracy that makes us one,
Our community
that makes us one,
our humanity
that makes us one,
our diversity
that makes us one,
our democracy
that makes us one, that makes us one, that makes us one, that makes us one. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you've enjoyed these videos. I've had a lot of fun making them. I will see you very soon in September. I want to remind you that all the videos are still up there for you to watch, and so you can submit pictures to include in the videos. And I cannot wait to see you in September. Have a wonderful summertime. Bye-bye.